All right, changing the turn signal on this 2000 Toyota Avalon, the bulb, I should say. That bulb's burned out. Forget about getting to it through the engine compartment. You just can't do it. It's like stuck back in there. This bulb is right here, which means it's right behind this, and you can't reach it. So what you got to do is take that headlight assembly out, and that's easy. 3 little screws or bolts. There's one that's gone because I sheared the head off. And here's the other one. So let me take this out and use my little pry bar here. Well, it's not a bar, it's a plastic pry tool. And this 10mm socket to get it out. I'll be back in a second. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you get it out. To get it out, this right here, put your little pry tool under it and pop it out, because this kind of sits recessed on this bolt, so you can't just pull it straight out. You have to just pop it up just a little, and it'll come right out. And then once that happens, this comes out easily, and there's the plug I need. Man, you can't get to this. There's like a big metal bracket right here. This is the only way to get to this bulb. Just so you'll know. Sorry about the blur. There it goes. Be back. Let me take this out and go find a bulb, and I'll put it back in. Here's the bulb that came out on the left. This new one on the right. It's an 1157. So, just put it in and see it works. Twist, turn, put the new bulb in. 3 screws hold this on. Don't try and go through your engine compartment. That's like a massive invitation to like frustration and rage. Just pull this thing straight out. It really doesn't take but a second. And then you can access not only that one, but the other 2 if you ever need to remove them. Just a little tip for you if you own a 2000 Avalon, or second generation Avalon, I should say. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks.